guys! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. So, ito ay late upload guys. Ganap ito nung New Year's Eve. So, simple lang guys yung celebration namin. Hindi ko pwedeng i-play yung original video kasi nga marami nag-video okay. So, hindi maganda. So, napag-usapan namin ang family ko na simple lang yung handa namin, which is isa na yung favorite namin na lumpiang Shanghai. So, as you can see, ayan, ako yung gumawa niyan guys. Simple lang yan, giniling lang na hinaluan ng mga veggie, carrots, potato, and everything. And look at that. So, it's good for our family only and it's one of our favorite na laging meron kapag may okasyon. So, after that, gumawa ako guys ng buko, macaroni, fruit salad, which is every New Year meron kami nito. Kasi yung New Year's namin guys, more on sweets talaga, more on dessert. So, as you can see, haluin mo lang yan. Ganyan lang yung pinagagawa ko guys. Madaling gawin niya. And after that, nilagay ko siya sa lianera at partition ko na para yung iba, ibigay ko sa kakilala ko and yung iba naman para sa mga friends ko. And after that, nagawa yung anak ko ng Graham, which is flavor cream on na cookies and cream. So, siya lagi yung naka-assign para gumawa ng ganito. Kasi since no marunong na siyang gumawa ng mga dessert, siya mismo nagsasabi na, Mami, ako na ang gagawa. So, hinayaan ko siyang gumawa ng kanyang version na Graham, which is napakasarap guys, para siyang ice cream. And then, yung kapatid ko, gumawa naman siya ng ice jelly coffee, which is, ayan, with buko pandan also. So, siya naman ang nag-decide na gumawa niyan. 'Di ba? Puro kami sweets. Puro desserts talaga, guys. And after that, gumawa din yung anak ko ng Graham Mallow Balls. Ayan. Madali lang gawin yan, guys. Yung anak ko din gumawa niyan. Tapos, ayan. Pinaghalo-halo lang yung condensed milk, Graham, crackers, and tada. Look at that. Masarap yan, guys. Lalo na kapag pinaikot-ikot mo sa coconut na yung dried. And after that, ayan, nagluto ang mama ko ng biko. Ayan, si mama mahilig magluto ng biko and 1 kilo lang yan para sa amin New Year's Eve. So, yung isa niya binigay sa tita ko and ayan lang yung nagawa niya. Pero napakasarap at napakalagkit. And after that, nagluto ako guys ng igado, which is my version. Isa ito sa Bicol recipe namin, but ginawa ko siya on my own way version. And look at that. Very spicy guys and very soft. Talagang sinadya ako siyang malambot and saucy. And yung anak ko nag-request, ang gusto niya ala ganyan, piniritong pork chop and then ginawan ko siya ng sauce with lime and soy sauce. Parang pork steak. And after that, gumawa ako guys ng maruya or sinapot in Bicol. So as you can see, ganyan yung way ng paggawa. Madali lang gawin yan guys. And hilig ko siyang kainin with peanut butter, margarine, or with cream cheese and any kind of spread. And this is the moment guys na 12:00 na ng gabi. So, Happy New Year 2024 everyone. So, ito yung simpleng handaan namin. Pasayaw-sayaw pa ang person. So, mayroon kaming cake. At ayan na yung mga pinag-prepare namin ng buong family ko. So, simple lang yung mga handa namin. Pero lahat yan pinag-usapan namin ng family ko. Kasi lahat yan ay gusto naming kainin. And syempre, mama, si mama ay happy and love you ma. And ayan. Ayan, syempre, after ng ng table setting, kailangan magpicture. So ayan yung mga pagkain guys at nagpicture and selfie muna kami before kumain. Bawal guys kumain pag walang selfie. Char. So ayan ako and kapatid ko. And ayan yung anak ko, si Nimbus. And ito yung si Adia and si Nimbus. And also, mataba na si Adia. And ito yung ako and ang brother ko. And then mama ko and ako. And then, syempre, ako, Char. And yung anak ko, tsaka ako. And mama ko and bunso namin. And yung kapatid kong nasa Taiwan, ganyan ang ganap niya. Nanood siya ng fireworks sa Taichung. Shout out dude, ingat ka palagi dyan and thanks for everything. We miss you and love you. And ayan yung mama ko and yung only brother ko. And ito na yung anak ko, kapatid ko, and yung mga pusa ko. And then, ayan, kapatid ko and bunso ko. Ayan, kapatid ko. selfie muna kami. Ang dami niyan guys. So, syempre hindi na papalampasin. Mama ko and yung anak ko at nag-iisa niyang apo. Yung anak ko, si Claire, at yung pusa ko. So, yung anak ko, ang laki na. Love you na. Mama ko, syempre. So, we all happy and grateful. So, finally guys, ito na yung fireworks. And super ingay niya guys, as in. Lahat ng kapitbahay ko talagang todo yung paingayan ng mga motor. Mayroong nagpukpuk na kaldero at kawali, mga coins, karaoke. Super loud talaga. And last year, mas bongga yung fireworks compare now. Pero okay naman. Kami guys, wala kaming fireworks kasi takot kami sa ganyan. So, umakyat lang kami sa rooftop para magnood-nood ng mga fireworks. Pero, we all happy and grateful. Na-enjoy naman namin yung panonood ng fireworks, di ba? O, di ba? Yan lang talaga yung meron that night. Eksaktong 12 midnight. Ganito yung, yung situation. So, sayang, hindi ko na-upload yung original video sound niyan kasi nga talagang hindi tayo papayagan ni Lolo Meta. So anyway, Happy New Year everyone. Happy New Year 2024. Sana maging okay yung 2024 natin lahat. Full of love, blessing, good health, and success in life. So, ang New Year resolution ko more is stay focused on positive things, positive people, surround with people with good positive thoughts also. So, ayan, malapit nang matapos guys yung fireworks niyan, is past 12 na. And ayan ako, and I would like to say thank you everyone for all the love and support to me and to my randomness vlog. And let's welcome the 2024. Kaya natin yan and magiging okay din ang lahat. So, for now, that's it my vlog. Thanks for watching. And of course, I love you all guys. See you on my next vlog. And once again, Happy New Year 2024. So, ingat kayo guys palagi. Bye!